Welcome to Montessori Workshops. Today, we'll explore Montessori hands-on learning materials that guide children to discover key learning outcomes through repetition and practice. Montessori materials are designed to provide children with opportunities to discover key learning outcomes. Each material teaches one skill at a time, supporting independent learning and problem-solving. The movable alphabet helps children recognize letters and construct words, preparing them for writing and reading. The Parts of the World puzzle introduces children to the forms and names of continents, oceans, and hemispheres, fostering geographical awareness. Constructive triangles show that all plane geometric figures can be constructed from triangles, enhancing understanding of geometry. Numbers and counters reinforce understanding of numbers, sequencing, and quantities, teaching that each number is made up of separate quantities. Mirror polishing develops hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills, concentration, and independence through the process of cleaning items. Thank you for joining us to explore Montessori materials. These tools are essential in guiding children to discover and master key learning outcomes independently. How would you like to start incorporating these hands-on materials into your child's learning journey? Let's explore some fun activities together.